about Obaze the Crafting Boss. Yes, I will always come online to talk to my people. So I'm going to say, how about you today talk? We already tell you my talk deliver election for Edo State. I know what the enemies of Edo State were planning. Thank God. Not be palliative with the talk now. Thank God say we win. I don't say I wish we don't win. Not be here for day. This message is to my sister, Stainless Amadine. I want you to listen to me. Edo way I even negbeya toloma. I toloe. When you came to Nigeria, before you came to Nigeria, Merusu man where shine with social media. You know, anytime people are looking for views, you try to drag me in. We work about Robime, Kakabo, Urobime, but I noticed that you have a large followership, and to some extent, somebody can't tell me about you. Say it's still less. This is what you are trying to do. I can't do it to you. I mean, when I want to call. So when you came, you called me. Ure Nigeria. You sent me a message. Okay. So and that's someone that told me way. These Stainless can be real. You said this. I said you look so unkempt. Now today they see my video. So I said Stainless can be rehabilitated. I said I want to shock Stainless. When I listen, you know, say many people pull here for here. Someone will listen. I just saw they can't insult me. I'm used to it. I said Stainless can be rehabilitated. Nobody is completely useless. I called you. I told you. I said I'm trying to see if I fit carry you go see governor. She shocked. Stainless, I know say you shocked that day. Say how about I say even when I said it, I was not too sure because I need to talk to one or two persons. People when I talk to, they don't see reasons with me. I say, how about you just be managing them now? How many people will fit carry go see governor? I told him, I said, Eddie Murphy is around, Stainless is around. They need to somebody that they are supporting. Not that Stainless never even support governor. I said we need Stainless because she has a very wide followership in diaspora. So I say you don't betray her, but go sit down. So you know the meaning of betrayal. Etu nu wata yotare. Wata yotare. So I said I just want some people to start having access to the governor. Talking to her, say, governor, appreciate what they do. It's not enough, especially Eddie Murphy that has been fighting for the governor. They don't listen to me. I can't send tests to governor. Governor can't tell me, say, make I bring them. The first day, I called Stainless. I said, where they come government house? She shocked. When government house, so different meeting to meeting, different meeting. We don't see Stainless. Stainless, I'm leaving now. Today, not be tomorrow. I know that even if you like against me, deep down in you, I don't need to convince you. Deep down, you will not say, okay, you want to now my work. One day, admit, please, there are people that are not listening to me here. Their own is just to insult me, kick them out quietly. If they are not listening to me, they are just talking anyhow, kick them out. You know, they do I say, calm down. This is government house. Calm down. Come to day meeting. People they come from other state 3 days, they don't see governor. They say no, because at that point, Stainless not believe. Say she will feel meet governor. Eddie Murphy the way Eddie Murphy had to even change the sticker. You know, Eddie Murphy that way the next thing channel. No. That way meeting governor is key. The #1 citizen of your state. That time Amigo they spoil governor name. They were using Amigo to do nonsense. I said, hear from this man one-on-one. Hear from him. I could also send a text to say, this also person is trying for you. He's one of our great guys in diaspora. I said, you need to see him. You don't know what name Mugi governor. Brother, my sister. That's Ebony Yedo what anything when many of you insulting me now. My admin they kick una out. I don't say tomorrow now I'll begin to send message about a beg, no verse. I don't know say it will be like this. So I can't calm her down. Just for her to calm down, I can't tell her, okay, let me go hang out. She can't call her brothers. Even the first day when she can't meet me, she said she was even scared. Say, on I set up. We had about to can't set me up because she was always insulting the governor. Because of that matter, you know, no, how can I set you up? What kind of nonsense is that? Not because the government is oppressive, man. Yeah, by government today, the other person, the other people will come and also oppress them. That's why whoever tries to oppress me anywhere, because conviction may operate. If you go more dirty, I will go dirty with you. You know. If you go dirty, I will go. But I just want to advise you. So we now went down in our hosting. That evening I spent, let me not mention how much I spent. A table, not jam a table, not make it comfortable. While we're there, I was still trying to reach out to government house. Yeah, a pardon free, a pardon free. Because if governor still, sometimes I got on the day office till 11 o'clock for night. I was still trying to reach out. You know, when I back, you know, when they come here, where back, and the more final, when I the more fee ticket away with you. You need to meet this man. I when I got home, I was like, see, somebody just changed a ticket now. Because I said the person, governor say make I bring them. I want to explain this to these people if governor not see them. I call the mad pressure. The next time I go with Tia, why and the movie was calm all true. It was still in my belief. He had the governor. Because they were calling her names. The next day we went to government house. Because always testing, reminder. Now we get out of your reception hall, okay, governor. Maybe okay, CCTV degima or near Timari. So now you have fill a form. And again, now test. The next thing, they just say, Mona, come. I want to take them one after the other. Anybody when they mention my name now, me, I mean I want to do saga. When I want you to do, I can't say make everybody drop phone, which is normal. Can't drop phone for security reasons. Madu ladu. A panawa ladia. Don't say useless. Governor can't sit down. Get one where he can carry us sit down. And the Murphy, if me and the Tana, the Murphy was there. If my care was stainless, please. This man is very sensitive. He knows to be #1 citizen of his state. And we allow, please let Wasirani issues. Tell him what you want him to do. Okay, boss. Issue based. Europe, just issue based. Don't bring irrelevant things. Then the way about the government will move Bume out the office. Even when I was taking, especially stainless there, I was scared. One hour movement. And they are falling about because I falling about now. Opportunity of block any. There are a lot of people that wants to meet with the governor. Well, I'm opportunity I get this soon. And rubbish now. Many of them were calling me. Who now want more stainless governor? Who now want more many governor? Who now want more Morocco governor? They criticize me. Nobody is entirely useless in this life. Nobody is entirely useless. Can't talk. A pack can't talk to them. A pack can't talk to them. Whatever the state is going through now, for Obaseki, 40 men. I'm a rude boy, I'm a fast. They are saying where social information is not correct. If somebody tell me say the last time I went to that place, I call somebody again, they say that whatever. So what's my fault in returning it, in reporting it? And I came out and said, so if you hate me, you want rubbish now you know. So after we done through, now we can't come out. So any other thing will happen, you hear you know your time, and you hear you know your time. Agboy making Agboy. So she came out, she was happy. It's your nigga wrote to Tony they don't believe. She took pictures. You know the camera will here post a picture now. Now we man now we do me we are me governor the way governor give him here post here. Because people will want to tarnish your image. People want to rubbish you in Miami. So I believe in the history of Stainless family. Nobody, good or bad, don't meet with governor. Nobody. And I pray make more people meet. Because you not go block that opportunity. I'm not going to say because you not go block that opportunity. Your children, they will grow, they will be so strong and powerful. They will meet governors, they will meet senators, they will meet presidents. Because your sin will not block the chances of other people. So she appreciated me. She was happy. She was happy. Very, very happy. Now well, now that Umioene, Udegwe, very magie, I'm sure people saw post and said, God know my daddy, God know my father, God know my this one. Erega again bugbo. No nyagbo no pe we thank God your masugbo me. Egwe no geni do yo. Because egege do so alagbo ni ke. Odo gbagbon yagbe. Aye na me do. So she did a lot. She appreciated me. She thanked me a lot. Eddie Murphy was also very happy. Governor talked to them. Governor Mabeya o tiliyan e. Mabeya o gbin e. If you see Stainless, you will know. Many people they call me, we want Stainless. Yeah, betray way. So before you know it today, politics can start. All through the politics. Oh God. New thing, God will bless you. Pastor Mary, God will bless you. Comrade Lantin, come rescue us. When people don't slow down, come add the voice. Bush Lion. Yama see me go. Yama worry, me yani go. Yama worry, me yani go. Stainless, go. Ugba me, owo pa gwa. And well, it won't even stop me. If I don't have Kichawo, they walk away in opportunity to introduce them to people in power. No. Betray. So do ever betray one hand. So when they talk, Stainless, they worry. Again, here was this boss go with the other side. I was under undue pressure. Serious pressure. But so I call him here half a day. Nigga tell me no man like. You don't hear report him, report him. He said so many things which I will not say until I go off track. Or make me hear how he say. I will not start talking to the people. Or any one issue not see me. So while I did that, you know, they not give me, I think influence first space we pull off. You know, they not yo. If not see an opportunity pull off even Agwana is a matter for another day. I tried to say everybody there here, one particular person is always urging. I tried to manage Stainless. It got to a point, it may get a Stainless for Comrade Lampton. Let's try our best. The crisis here it can't be man. I manage Stainless. Hey, the other side though. And they have a teammate. And we mention names. And when you go to the send the Stainless go. They go off track. I manage it. I won't say on my way about. She tried. She did a lot. She was out there. She walked. I won't say it woman winner or man support. She contributed to the victory that those are celebrating today. All these things where they happen now. Ogbera. Obasaki Yanedone, all you hear. Then into the boss sooner. I believe the government has released a press statement. I'm not the chief press secretary of the government. Yobo, Eyene Edo, Eyenevo, Yobo is the Yene government. Now, all the people now will tell me, say, Abba, stop politics. We don't want to be playing politics. There was one after I don't mean pull out. Because my power is with the people. To protect lives and property. Oh, yeah, okay. Even when they were telling me where my penny am where government, no one go read government explanation. Explain okay, how about it turn out or government to turn out? So I tried my best to manage stainless. I have recordings, and I will record it. We record a voice note or send it. I have chats. So let's not go to that road. So in our manage, community now community serve like an elder in the field. And you know go so why is she blackmailing me? She should send a test to the people in authority. Or my mom, no be governor, or my no be have a government house. She makes come tell me where my why complain, man. I complain, man. It's not like I don't know her or she's not capable of betraying. But I need at that point I was like the only person speaking in support of the government, which the government was not completely bad. Where people were testifying to what the man was doing. So I needed voice to counter people like Iranomigo and some other miscreants that misinformable. So yeah, people anybody want about teacher who got mistakes, who got mistakes. So Komellapti played a very critical role in managing Abati no, because it got to a point, it can't be like blackmail. So it's not like blackmail. Thank God I have an elder brother that knows me. No, thank God we Imema. Thank God for people like Semi Erio. They know what is happening. You know, I cool down. Justice Sam, you are committing rubbish here. Let me just kick you out quietly. Let me just quickly. Give me 1 minute. Let me clear this place. Do my damn your man. Log out. Don't stay here and insult me. Okay? Damn you. Make it now learn. This was a seafood for Christmas. How about you get mad though? Okay, no wala. So a lot happens. A lot. So there was a group, she said she wants to, she has printed 40 cap, 40 shirts. Now okay, you have your buy. She was not telling people where a group in red do about the man winner. They called me. I said, who is the coordinator of your group? We need more people. My plan was for me to use our group to be going to all these markets near Shea Prom. I was busy. Not every time you call me, you're something to pick your call. I was working. So, okay, let's call me. I had to swallow that part of me. I was already angry. Don't blackmail me. Don't blackmail me. Don't spoil people's mind because you have issues with me. Now, okay, get a part. Away party, they worry. I sent money through our account to part 10,000 naira. That way, when a party like moto adedo, let me meet with Pat and say, Pat, what do you need? Stainless group, what do you need to move around? Let me see where I can come in. So she talked, I don't see Pat. So before you rubbish me, please, like 10,000 naira ni Pat la carry gumene. And I'm going to mommy Pat. Go sit down, say I for you. Some say I for your hand. Which for your hand? You know how to take 4 person hand. Now you train me for school. Now you pay my bills for school. No, I don't forget about stainless. So I would anybody will use me. No, I won't give out info. I won't give out much information. Thank you. Somebody just sent a message. I won't. She shouldn't push me. She should not push me. Or I'm worried about me. Or la Nigeria is area gua. You what say? Or I'm worried about me. Speak pole area gua. I was a then now. So I tried my best. Anyway, mommy Pat. Where is Pat? He said I'm not carrying your group along. Where is Pat now, mommy Pat? So after an election, a lot happened. All where we are. Mega Guan. A lot happened. When you have matter pressure on me, you are trying to matter pressure on people in authority. Sometimes even when you push you are there. A government no okay. So when you win, I'm appreciating. I'm sway a man for second term. I can't push. There are things I can push. I keep telling them, calm down. I spoke with somebody some days ago. Now when Stainless is looking for every opportunity to rubbish me and governor. Thank God she has gotten the opportunity. More opportunity will come. We're more contracting. We're going to rubbish the government for free. It's a contract. Contract will not. Now when Stainless is looking for avenue to rubbish me. But God is my witness. I have evidence to show anything. So we don't respond to. I will respond to Stainless. She's already misinforming people about me. A lot of people are disappointed in her. They are calling me. They're also doing videos too. They call me. And I told them, calm down. Let me respond to Stainless. Thank God. Thank you. Oh, you are my leader for life. Thank you, my brother. If you not you or more, I will hear also. My son will grow to know that his father is a truthful man. Anyway, I'm wrong. I'm not. So when me about it, make a mistake. We make a mistake when not gonna. Every day, mistake one. I say, "Loud the way I turn." You make a mistake. You make a mistake. So, I love any yata. If she decides to talk many things, because a platform yes, it's normal. It's normal. I don't do many. Even when the Murphy had palace issue, you can't defend it. Defend the Murphy. Defend it. I know what I did. So, Stainless, you worked for the governor. I will still advise that you calm down. Calm down. First pace, nigga, I mean, through Edo jobs. In your plan of when many of my family members are not able to put them. Because the pressure from your end, you introduce your younger brother to me, now worry, we will do something about him. But normally, make it's a matter for another day. Okay. Maybe your mother tell matter my way. So, don't rubbish me. Don't rubbish me. The last time, let me repeat. The last time I went to that medical stores. You see the name now? Medical stores. They have food stuff there. Last time I went there, I have a video. Maybe uploaded the video in my account. What was there? Medical items. Yeah, commissioner. My deputy governor. Yeah, commissioner. Did you have me here last 2 months? I don't know. Yeah. My people, they send me message. They know what they happen. At least if EPN want to celebrate, let them celebrate. We don't defeat them. Maybe they talk rubbish. You know? So, the last time you got here, so when I called again this morning, whatever, I came out and said, whatever. Why are you going all the them away? Why government if you need that? So I got there. I saw that way. I saw where what matter. What am I very ani? They should tell the people. If I know how any fridge, television, and look to one now. The food was not much, and the government has explained. I believe that many of us not see the position of the government. The Miami government is the name food bank. If government can have a bank account, are you saying government cannot have a place? All those flood victims were many. Were many where government have here for me, Guiana, have here by Guiana. The case to us here, I have here. Companies are donating. And Testament Road, only government is there. That's the one I know. That one, those state government of Donny. Where I said that Road, there's no food there. No food there. That's the one I know. All through the time, here, our live video, the palliative go on for Testament Road. I don't see one pack of Indomie. Only once a medical store. So if you hate me, this is an opportunity for you to express your hatred. You have today. A Christmas day for you. But Emani school. That's why I'm using my language more. They know the truth. Even soon, when I see things, I know say nothing will stop this people from busting this place. It's national. Everywhere. I hear you say that they bust Cross River State. They are busting everywhere. So are you saying all the state now, all the governors go hide food? COVID-19, I'm not defending anybody. Don't say about the when they go to defend the government. Let me tell you something. I will speak truth. See, government don't say palliative is in stages. First phase, second phase, third phase, they are still buying. Many companies will never bring. They are still bringing. Trust me, by next month, you also said they will still bring. Big companies will never bring. They will still bring. It is their corporate social responsibility. So are you not saying that government we all get where they put food in case of emergency? Government here have food bank. So you hear what the bank or have their key. They don't have a place where they stock food, vaccines, medical equipment. They don't have a place at all. They can hear Boston now. Other medical equipment. They said that place is 5 states. Now they said now no it die have your area where I don't know if you hold South medical equipment. The actions we take today will affect our children tomorrow. So I still want to appeal to people doing live videos. They are already used to collecting money from diaspora. So this time now, my position now is very, very unpopular. Hey, about you, what betray? They're not going to want to take this my position. That's why I left. Foundation where I will just tell you the truth. The truth. Now they tell you now. So if you get verse, people will work for governor many. And anywhere I go, I always they talk about people when they diaspora. To show where governor they appear, they talk to those in diaspora. I contributed to those now hearing directly from the governor. And I believe before now, he never disappointed now. And he not will disappoint. What is happening today is a national crisis. You don't say when our political leaders take people, youth for granted. And it don't swear, it don't burst. And I believe they don't learn. Many senators cannot come out now to talk. Many assembly cannot. I will talk. I will continue to speak the truth. Many US editor. As at this morning, because you can't. This matter here, nobody they feed. And they hardly they fall for fake news. This is why I easily just key into this one, because I have been there. The last time I visited, there was no food. So if you work for governor, many people work for governor. You need to calm down. When we wait for 4 years, and when only government a year, may not office a government here. You never ask yourself, say, why did they never appoint Abat? Why did they never give Abat a contract? Why? Because the politics is man. You won't say, man. A vacation in your seven Tony Wizard or Toronto or pay Sheraton. At avec Italy. Tony Wizzy Okodua in Toronto. When I see the video when he called Nigeria can't work for governor. When I did Lagos, I was somewhere in Ireland. He called me and said about you have done well. Say you be a nice person. He said I'm paying for Sheraton for you. 3 nights. You pay. Yeah, in amigo, 92,000 naira per night. Oh my God, that way. Man, what you go now, man? No. Anything I get away, I will bonwe. Don't convert it to cash. Or man, do money, or man, do motor, a gift, you know. Now we go now at the 10. 3 days plus food is about 500 and something thousand. And now you go down the man, you go far. Now waiting if he say want to appreciate me. I went there 3 days. Hey, go, man. Hey, me. He offer hotel 20,000 reco. So all these things are what they do when they bring heavy. If my friends they come and say, "Bana," you see they'll say, "How about? What be the shoe of? What is be the size of your shoe?" My brother they come now onion soup more. See, luggage just say "Ade do," just say "Ade." Hey yo. So I cannot come out and tell you where everywhere red. I call some people this so they say, "Come." Many people dey my neck for this motto. Hey, hours I got me go ya pay ya. So now we go. All of us need to just gather like 10,000 more to give people who know say they don't feel manage. For 4 years now. Government cannot come out anywhere to say Abat has eating money. Nobody can come out to say I've eaten money. So my sister stainless. Many of them went there abroad. Why feel who was saying you were? But also we're better here. Although they get complete of what did happen. They are now moving from shop to shop now, looting people. More government already has oh my boy, so please, Emanibu will not a governor. Emanibu will not a governor. After election, the man needed to go for rest. I'm not holding brief for him. I'm chief press secretary. So allow them sway them in. Don't say because this is an opportunity to bring him down. Calm down. Calm down. Stainless. Now, I'm many dia. Okay, la politics in the Maria. I'm many dia. Now, I'm many dia. We have a lot. Man, the boot team and say, man, the book bawe. The boot team anyway. Kabaka threatening where they are threatening you. I told you now where Kabaka can error you. I was the one that told you. How error you? Imaya we take on Kabaka one day. You know, error you. Egbe working. It's like Kabaka. What have what day? I told you. Even when Kabaka called you, you recorded the conversation, you send it to me. Now we air of your just Egbe working, air of your Kabaka will not do anything to your family. So because you are angry, you need to calm down. That is my message to you, Stainless Movie Amadi. Bye bye.